Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Kui. Today guys, we're making another Chinese dish. We're making some delicious orange chicken. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright you guys, I'm going to start by prepping my chicken. I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs here already clean. You can also use breast if you want. I just highly recommend using thighs for this particular recipe. Just has more flavor. I'm going to trim off any excess fat, and then I'm going to cut them into some chunks. Now you'll see the pieces will not be uniform. They will not be the same size. Some may be big and some may be small. I just feel for presentation purposes, it just makes it look better. Alright you guys, now that I have my chicken cut up, I'm going to season it generously with some salt and pepper. That is all. Alright guys, now the chicken is seasoned, we're ready to bread it. So to this bowl, I'm going to add in 1 egg white, some flour, and some cornstarch. I'm going to mix it all together until it's well combined and all my chicken pieces are coated. Alright you guys, I'm ready to fry these babies. So I'm going to use my wok. You can also use a skillet or a deep fryer. I'm going to add in some vegetable oil. You can also use canola or peanut oil. Once my oil is in, I'm going to set my induction top to a medium heat. And I want my oil to come to temp between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once my oil is up to temp, I'm going to add my chicken and I'm going to fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until it reaches a light golden brown color, or a thermometer until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright you guys, so now that my chicken is done, we're going to place it in a 200-degree Fahrenheit oven just to keep it warm while we make our sauce. So I got my skillet, I'm going to place it over a medium heat, and to that I'm going to add in some soy sauce, orange juice, some ginger, crushed red pepper flakes, garlic, apple cider vinegar, a cornstarch slurry to help thicken the sauce, and once it thickens I'll add in some honey, and I'm going to finish it off with some orange zest. Alright you guys, now the sauce is complete. I'm going to add the chicken back to the pan and toss it around until it's all evenly coated. Alright you guys, my orange chicken is done. As you can see, I'm serving mine with some white rice. You can also serve it with some fried rice. You guys can just watch me plate up. I'm going to garnish it with some sliced green onions, sesame seeds, and some orange slices. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.